What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I just wanted to get on and to give you a mini review on the products I used for this wash and go. I did not film it because I do have other videos on my channel using the particular gel that I used, and I will link them there. But I did want to go in and just tell you what I used and give you my thoughts on it because it's been a while. So I went in and I shampooed my hair with the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe Nutrition Shampoo. I have used this way in the past, in the beginning of my hair journey, and I hadn't used it for a while. Couldn't remember a whole lot about it, so I purchased it a while ago. It's been on my shelf wanting to revisit it, so I did use it, and I do want to let you know that it is a cleansing shampoo. My hair felt squeaky clean, but it didn't feel like straw, so it did not just strip all the moisture out of my hair. My hair did feel hydrated after using this, but it is a squeaky clean shampoo, so I would not consider this really a moisturizing shampoo. So if you guys are interested in, you know, Taliah Waajid and was wondering about the shampoo, it is a cleansing shampoo. It is a squeaky clean shampoo. Borderline could be stripping depending on how dry your hair tends to be, but it is still hydrating. I could feel the hydration in my hair after using this, and I could see the shine in my hair after using this, so I like that about it. But in no way would I consider it a moisturizing shampoo, but it's good and I will use it again. So wanted to let you know that, just in case you were wondering. After I shampooed my hair, I went in with the Roseonna Naturals Calendula and Aloe Deep Conditioner. I wanted to use something really moisturizing because before I did this hair, I used some other products and my hair felt a little bit dry before I washed it. So I wanted to make sure that I went in with something that was very moisturizing. I wanted to go in with something that did not have protein, and I don't believe this has any protein in it. I just took a quick glance. I could be wrong, but I didn't think that this had any protein in it, because the shampoo definitely has a protein in it, a hydrolyzed silk protein. I can see right off the bat it may have more, and then the other two have protein as well. So I wanted to go in with a moisturizing deep conditioner, and I hadn't used Roseonna Naturals in a while. I do have a review on these products on my channel as well, and it was a mixed review. I like the products, I love the packaging, but I felt like, I think it was the butter that was somewhat heavy on my hair or whatever, but I wanted to go back and revisit just to make sure. And I used this deep conditioner and it was very moisturizing. The slip was incredible. I was able to, you know, detangle my hair with this. I used it up. It smells good. It is a creamy consistency, not too thick, not too thin, just right, soaked into my hair. I love that about it. The only thing that I will tell you is that it doesn't rinse completely clean. So it does leave a little something behind, not a lot, but a little bit. But it wasn't so much that I just, you know, would write this off. No, I would use this again. If they have a sale and everything, I probably will pick this up again, because I really, really do like the slip that it has, the smell and everything. And it did what I needed it to do for this wash day. It got that moisture back into my hair, and I love that about it. I do have some more products from this line that I do want to revisit. I do remember that I really did like the shampoo, but I believe it was the butters that were a little bit heavy, but I want to even revisit those too. So guys, Roseonna Naturals is a small Black owned, woman owned brand. If you haven't tried them out, I'd say pick them up and try them out. I think that you'll like it, especially if you like thicker products and you're looking for a lot of moisture for your hair and a lot of moisture in the products, try Roseonna Naturals out. So I used this up and I liked it. After I rinsed that out, I did go in with a Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe Nutrition Leave-In Conditioner. It's kind of liquid, has the pump. And you guys know that I have talked about this before. One point I really liked it. Another point it was like, I like some other liquids better. And I definitely don't like this pump. So again, in the shower, I took this off. I basically poured it in my hands and put it on my hair. But when you put it on your hair, it's the application. It doesn't feel like it's doing anything. It doesn't feel like it's adding a lot of moisture, a lot of softness or anything like that. But once it has sat on your hair for a while, then you can start to feel the moisture and the softness. You can start feeling that it is actually penetrating into your hair. And when you go to separate your hair, it separates easily and things like that. So I think it's a good leave-in conditioner. It's a good lightweight one that I believe would pair with a lot of stuff and wouldn't give you a lot of flaking if you're worried about that. But you have to let it sit for a while. You have to let it marinate in the hair before you really feel what it is that you want to feel with a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna go back and say I do like this. I just don't like the spray. I wish they would put it in something else. Some people like these, but I don't. It's in the shower. To me, it's kind of big, and if I hold it like this, it slips out. If I hold it like this, it slips out because it's kind of, the bottle is big. My hand can't fit all the way around it, and then I'm trying to press with this, and it's just a hassle. Then I try to turn this way and press with this, and same thing. My hands are slippery because I do mine in the shower. I guess if you did, well, I don't know if it'd be different if you did it outside the shower, but I just don't prefer this. But the leave-in is good. After the leave-in, I went in with the Green Apple and Aloe Nutrition Hold Me Down Gel, or Gelle, whatever you want to call it. I've talked about this before. I even did a side-by-side comparison with this white one and a clear one that they came out with. It's supposed to be the exact same gel. I wanted to know if it would give me different results, and it did a little bit. I'll link that video here as well, but both of them were still good, but I prefer this one. Supposedly this one is the one that was supposed to get back on the market, but everybody is still saying that they're getting the clear one, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I'm kind of sad because this is my last jar of it and it's almost gone, and I like this gel. I've said it before, I like this gel. It defines your hair, but it gives you a softer hold, but it definitely gives you definition. I did have a lot of definition. I stretched my hair. I still have a lot of definition, and my hair is still soft. It still feels moisturized, and it just looks healthy. Not overly shiny, but it just looks healthy. So I like this gel. I just wanted to bring it back because I got a lot of new subscribers. I don't know if you went all the way back where you've seen the video on this, but you may have been wondering about Taliah Waajid products. I think she has pretty good products. I really like this Green Apple and Aloe line. So if you haven't tried Taliah Waajid out, I say pick them up and give them a try. Black woman owned brand as well. So yeah, these are my results. Let me know what you think of this wash and go. I did it yesterday, got from under the dryer. Basically, it was still a little bit wet in there, and it was late in the day, so I just left it, and then I just stretched it today. So yesterday really would have been first day hair, unstretched. I did wear it out until I went to bed, and then I got up today, stretched it, so this would be considered second day hair. And or some people will consider it first day. I don't care what you consider it, but this is what it looks like. Either way, first day, second day, I like it. It looks good and it feels good. So I will try to come back on day 3, let you see, or I'll come back in a few days. I'll come back in a couple days and let you see how it looks then, how it's holding up or whatever. But okay, guys, I wanted to come back and show you my hair. This is actually day 5 of the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe Hold Me Down Gel combo. I use the leave-in as well as the gel on my hair. And yeah, this is day 5. So it is bigger. There is a little bit more frizz in it, but I like it. There's still a lot of definition. So I did stretch it a little bit today because, you know, after sleeping on it, you know, it was kind of compact a little bit. So I did get my hair dryer out just to stretch it a little bit, to give it a little bit of movement, because it had, you know, a lot of frizz in it. But before I did that, I did go in with the Curl Origin Maracuja Rich Moisture Hair Milk, just to put a little bit of moisture on it. My hair was not dry. My hair still felt pretty good, but because I was getting ready to put heat on it, I did want to put something on top of it so it wouldn't dry it out or make it feel hard or anything like that. So this combination did last me a good 4 or 5 days before I had to moisturize. So today, had I not put heat on it and just, you know, maybe wore it out, I could have got away without moisturizing, but most likely I would have scrunched something in it anyway. But I definitely knew that I wanted to moisturize because I was applying heat. And instead of me just scrunching it on the ends like I normally do, I actually went in and kind of just, you know, took big sections of my hair and just kind of really, you know, rubbed it and squeezed it in like that. So when I applied the heat, it was on the length of my strands and not just scrunched into my ends, if you understand what I'm saying. So I did do that today, and it did moisturize it, and I did apply the heat, and my hair still feels moisturized. My hair actually feels really soft right now and really good. I probably am going to wash it tomorrow just because it has been 5 days, but I definitely can get another day or two out of this and my hair would just, you know, be a little bit bigger and just look a lot more full and beautiful, in my opinion. So yeah, guys, if you haven't tried it, I say pick it up and give it a try. You are not going to get the crunch that you get with another gel, a harder holding gel, but you are going to get the definition, and you can definitely get the longevity of the definition with these, just without the hard crunch on it. You may feel a little bit like, now I don't feel any cast on my hair at all because it's been 5 days. I've slept on it and things like that. But day 1, day 2, you may feel a little bit of a hold on the ends or whatever, but it's not going to be anything like you would get with the Eco Gel or Wet Line or something like that. So I like this combination. I really do want to try this with another conditioner, and I think they came out with a creamy conditioner. I don't know if it's a rinse out conditioner or a creamy leave-in. I'm not sure. I don't have it, but I did see a conditioner on the site, and I kind of want to pick it up just to see how it would work. But these two work for me, and these two have the moisture. You just have to let this sit a while, like I said. And it's going to depend on your climate too, probably, and your hair's porosity. My hair is low porosity. I can get away with a lighter leave-in, let it sit, cuticles close up, holding that moisture, because I made sure moisture was in my hair during the wash and the deep condition. So if you have high porosity hair, I don't know, this may not be enough for you. I don't know, I can't speak to that. But for me, these two work, and you see the results. You see the definition, you see the bigness, you see the fullness, you see the movement that I love. So yeah, guys, I don't know why it takes me so long to pull this out. I do know why, because I'm trying to try everything else. But this is one of my favorite gels, and I think I have said that in the past. So I like it. And this is the opaque one. I hope I can find the opaque one. I hope I can find the opaque one. If I go back to order more, I hope it's this one and not the clear one that has been, you know, reformulated, which all the ingredients are exactly the same, the exact same order and everything, but it does seem like something is different about the clear one than this one. The clear one is still good. It still worked for me, but I like this one. I'm partial to this one, so hopefully I'll be able to find it. But that's it. That's all I'm going to talk about as far as this is concerned, I almost forgot to come back because it's Sunday. So I was actually had come home, changed out of my clothes, was in the midst of eating, and then I was like, oh, let me go ahead and do this. I forgot to show my hair. Let me do my 5th day hair before all my makeup is gone and my hair is put back in my sleep thing. So anyway, so guys, this is it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have tried these. Let me know how you feel about them. Let me know if you're going to pick them up based on this review. Leave all that in the comment section below. And again, guys, this works for me. I'm not saying it's going to work for you, but if your hair is similar to mine, if you know how to get moisture in your hair, if you're low porosity and it can stay in there, I think these two would be okay for you. But if not, try this with a thicker, creamier leave-in that you love and see how it works. I don't get any flaking. I don't think I've ever got any flaking with this particular gel. But again, I haven't used it with a whole lot of different leave-ins either. So I do want to try it with other leave-ins and see how that goes. But this combination works for me. So yeah, guys, that is it. Now back to the video. But yeah, I just wanted to revisit Taliah Waajid. Hadn't used them for a while. Needed to wash my hair and wanted to do it quickly. Didn't necessarily have time to film it, but I did want to give a short review on the shampoo as well as the leave-in again and the gel. And then I wanted to guys go ahead and let you know how I feel about the Roseonna Naturals, because I believe after I used this, I said I wanted to reuse it again, come back and see if my thoughts are different or have changed or whatever. But I like this deep conditioner, so yeah, I say pick them up and give them a try. If you really want some moisturizing products in your hair, give them a try. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.